In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can use Sora 2 and n8n to make unlimited watermark-free videos. You've probably seen TikTok channels posting UGC-style videos for TikTok shop products. And when someone watches the ad, buys the product, the creator behind that channel earns money. As you can see, their videos get really decent views for AI-generated content, and that's because the quality is clean, consistent, and engaging. So today, I'll show you a simple hack that lets you create videos like this. Fast, unlimited, and watermark-free. Before we start, the only thing I ask is that you like this video and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss future tutorials like this. It really helps me grow and I appreciate you for supporting the channel. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to n8n.io and sign up if you don't already have an account. I'll put the link in the description below. Once you sign in, click on Create Workflow. This is what your workspace will look like. Don't worry, it's beginner-friendly, just follow my steps exactly. Step 1. Click the plus icon and type Schedule Trigger Node. Click on it and that's your starting trigger. Step 2. We need a Google Sheets node. Do the same thing. Click the plus sign, type Google Sheets and select it. You'll see a list of available actions. Choose Get Rows in Sheet. Now double-click on that node to connect it to your Google account. Click Create New Credential. Sign in with your Google account, and once you're connected, use these settings. I usually select my sheet from the list, and when you click it, it'll show all the Google Sheets in your account. Pick the one you want to use for this project. Right now, I'm running my workflow, which is why you see this loading symbol. Here's what my Google Sheet looks like. I have these columns. You want to set it up just like this. It makes everything easier. You simply upload your product image and description, and in return, you'll automatically get back your finished MP4 video. Alright, now that we've set up the base workflow, let's continue. By the way, you can download the full JSON file for this automation directly from my website. Under the resources page, I'll also put the link in the description below so you can import it instantly. The next node we're adding is loop over items. This is really useful if you want to process a list of rows with the same product, but different prompts. It allows your workflow to loop through one row at a time. Perfect for generating multiple videos automatically. Next, we need to add a Google Sheets node right after the loop over items node. This one updates the status of each product row so we can keep track of what's being processed. Change the operation to update row. Then under the column settings, set your status column to pending. So what this does is simple. When the workflow picks up a row that was marked as to do, it automatically updates it to pending inside your Google Sheet. That way you'll always know which product is currently being processed. After that, I add a code JavaScript node. This one converts your uploaded image into a public download format. Here's how it works. Once you upload your product image to Google Drive, click on Share and select anyone with the link. Copy that link and paste it into your Google Sheet. The code function node then turns that link into a direct download URL and passes both the image to product description to the next node. Next, I add a wait node. I usually set it to 3 seconds just to make sure the workflow does before the function node finishes processing. Now comes the most important part, the HTTP request node. Click the plus sign, search for HTTP and select it. This is where we'll connect to the Kia API. I'll include the link and setup details in the description below. Once you log in the key, click on API key to get your key. You'll need to purchase some credits for it to work. It's super affordable. Right now, Sora 2 costs about 30 credits, 15 cents per 10-second video with audio and no watermark. Inside the HTTP node, choose Post as your request type. Under Body, copy the curl example from your Kia dashboard and paste it here. Make sure you include your API key under the authorization header, write bare space, and then paste your key. You can name this connection Key API. For settings, you can choose vertical or horizontal video orientation, and make sure watermark remove is set to true. After this, I add another wait node, set to 240 seconds. That gives Sora enough time to generate the video. Then I add a second HTTP request node to check the video status. You can either copy the GET request from the Kia documentation or use my setup. It's really simple. Check if the video is still processing or already completed. To handle that logic, I use an IF node. If the status equals generating, it loops back to the wait node for another 240 seconds. Once the status changes to done, we get the final MP4 link. At this point, I use another code function node to extract just the MP4 URL from the response data. Finally, I use a Google Sheets node. You can duplicate your previous one. The only change you'll need is to match the column where you want to store the MP4 link with the correct row number. Keep the rest of the settings the same. And that's it. You'll now see your MP4 video URLs appearing right in your Google Sheet, automatically generated, watermark-free and ready to download. Just grab those videos, post them on TikTok, and start building your library of AI-generated UGC ads. For the full workflow JSON file, visit the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial or want me to make more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I truly appreciate your support.
One spray. That's all it takes.
Damn.
Are you serious right now? You can blame the perfume, or you can buy your own bottle. Crystal Noir.
My mornings are chaotic, but my skin doesn't have to be. This BB cream is literally the only product I use. It handles everything. My uneven skin tone, the redness, the dryness, everything. One step, and I'm done.
Expensive clippers are a scam. This Gold set cuts just as clean. 8 guards mean you don't need 5 different tools. Professional salons charge $400 for these exact clippers. Get salon quality at home. Link.
Stop letting TikTok tell you what shoes are worth wearing to the gym. This chunky sole works just as well without the viral marketing. Hype culture is draining your bank account. Link below.
That's the same smell your ex used to compliment you on.
No, babe, this is completely different cologne. I literally just bought it.
Oh, wait, this actually does smell way better.
Link below.
Snow is falling, lights are glowing, feeling funky and bright. Jingle rhythm, goofy wisdom, dancing all through the night. Shake it, spin it, slide with glee, let the season shine. We're two clowns and
Jingle in my belly like a bowl of jelly. I've got a beat that shakes the shelf. I'm a short stack Santa with a long list ready, and I'm rocking it all myself. Yo! Big belly swinging, boots on the floor, got a sack full of cheer, and I'm knocking at your door. Frost on the beard, but the groove stay hot. Jingle in the beat, let me show you what I got. Whoa, hold on!
Oh, mercy. No way. Not him! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Another one. Oh, that's rough. Cheers, I guess.
Why do you smell different? Who is she?
Babe, it's just new cologne. Relax.
Okay, wait. That actually smells really good.
Link below.
I've been using the same clipper for 6 years and it barely works anymore. Got this rechargeable set with 3 tools and it has an actual battery percentage display. I should have upgraded years ago. Link below. Despite
I used to buy the $40 magnesium from that influencer everyone loves. Then I found this with literally more types of magnesium for $1/4 of the price and I felt so dumb. Link below.
Your favorite influencers' running shoes aren't better than these. The chunky sole hype is real and you don't need designer brands to get it. Brand names are just paying for the logo. Tell me I'm wrong.